So guys, getting here has been drive and a half. So if you don't have a proper car, I'm just gonna let you know you're gonna mess it up. But like there's a gravel road that you go on for like a good 20 kilometers. So that's what I can say. So I've decided to go with this young gentleman called Itumeleng. And the alcoholism in him made us, guys, we're in the middle of, I don't know where, just to buy beer. He's like, he can't hike sober. Ha ha! Day and happy new month to all of y'all. So I decided to wake up and take a drive to Bronkospruit, guys. It was about an hour and a half, and I found this place on Instagram. It's called emvelo Nature Reserve. It's not too bad. A lot of gravel road coming here, but I finally made it. I am doing a hike. I really wanted to do the 21 because it had rock pools, but due to time, that's not happening. So I'm doing the 5K today, and yeah, I don't know what to expect, but I'm really loving the views, the animals that we've seen so far, which was really great, and the drive here was even better. It's only $85 day visit, and there's many other activities to do. So stay tuned to see how my 5K hike goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. So this is a young pool area, not far from the reception, and it's free to swim, and there's a lot of dry areas all around, so that's not bad. So you really can have fun when you get there. Hey, hello. Can we talk about the views, guys? Nothing. This is where you realize God actually exists. So the first animal, as we officially start our hike, that we see is Vidoe. I hope I'm saying it correctly. But driving in, we saw, what were they? Impalas, springbok, zebras, and kudu. So I guess they do have a good wide variety of animals out here. nice thing about this trail or this hiking spot is like you get to walk with the animals, like you're one with the animals on your path. So that's really amazing and what I truly enjoy. We're about to approach a lot of them. I wish I could get closer, but you know how sensitive animals are to sound. There are zebras right over there. Oh my gosh, beautiful.
But the wooden place.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, if they knew Jorge, they were harmful. The debate of why we're so close to animals. How you feel? So like, I won't lie, it's not like bad. There's like a few rocky spots and they do have quite a lot of loose rocks, so you kind of need to be careful when walking here. So once again, having comfortable shoes with good grip will be advisable. Place does offer accommodations as well. You can come camping. I would say somewhat glamping, but they've got already erected tents that you can book out and still enjoy the area with some of the other activities that they offer. Be aware that there's monkeys as well on this place. Look at them having a young party in somebody's yard. We have gotten to the end of it all, and the experience was something else. The 5K wasn't bad, so apparently the 15 and the 21 have got water features on the route. I did suggest to them that they should change their 5K so that you can also see the water features of the other place. But it was a good, how long did it take us? Like 2 hours, right? And we got to see the animals. The views were beautiful, being within the nature. It is good for beginners, so nothing hard about it, nothing too difficult or tricky. So I would suggest you come here, make it a weekend getaway, because there's so much you can do. And yeah, Bronkospruit, only an hour and a half off from Joburg, depending where you are, an hour from Pretoria. So make this a destination, a staycation, or even a day visit. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, and comment.